Do you spend ages going through your emails every day just to then mark them as unread just so that you don't forget about them? Then you need to learn how to do it a different way using one of Gmail's free features. I'm talking about the snooze button, which is ideal for any emails that you need to read or respond to, but you just don't have the time at this moment. By snoozing the email, it temporarily vanishes from your inbox and reappears at a time of your choosing when it's more convenient for you. And I'm going to show you how to use it in this tutorial. So let's go. So firstly, how do you find this snooze button? Well, as with everything in Gmail, there's more than one way of doing it. If you hover over any email, then the clock icon appears over on the right hand side. That's the snooze button. Another way is to tick the checkbox to the left of the email and the icons at the very top appear, and again you've got the clock, which is the snooze button. If you don't know what these icons mean, you can hover over them and it will give you a tooltip telling you what they are. So when you hover over it, it does say snooze. The final way is if you're in the actual email itself, click on the clock icon, which again appears above the email here. And that's the snooze. So whichever way you use it, it brings up a list of different time options available to you. So you can see we've got tomorrow, later this week, this weekend, next week, etc. You've also got the option of selecting a date and time that's more convenient for you. So you can click on select date and time, choose the date, choose the time, and click on save. And you can see that email has now disappeared from your inbox, but over on the left hand side menu here, under the folder where it says snoozed, if you click on there, you will see that the email is now listed in its own label. So once your snoozed time or date is here, the actual email will disappear from the snooze label and will reappear back at the top of your inbox for you to deal with. So if you go into the snooze label where your snoozed emails are listed, you can see the snooze date is over on the right hand side of each email. Now, if you want to change the time that you've set or you want to unsnooze the email, you can hover on the email and click back on the clock icon, and you can change the date and time in that way. You can also click on the button to unsnooze it, which will cancel the snooze and put it back into your inbox. Another way, if you go into the email itself, you can see that it's snoozed until that specific date, and the unsnooze button is in the top right corner here. So if you click on unsnooze, it moves the email back into its original location. So if that was in your inbox initially, then it will go back into your inbox. The snooze feature is one of those features that I think is really underrated. Not only does it help me to manage my own inbox and keep my emails under control, but it also clears up my headspace because I'm not there thinking I've got so many emails that I need to reply to this afternoon. They're not in my inbox, so my head is clear. I really hope you find it just as useful as I do. Let me know in the comments what you think. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.